Naka Bynta ban pensuk ya ka Jaiñtia kam ka Fastcom ha ka nyotrik urisau ka Jied ya ki Nongkit Kam Naka Federation Naka Bynta ka Khasi Jaiñtia region Naka Bynta ka Samoy kam jong usnem araja ar fulai hado araja ar funriu ya ka Jied ya ki te ki Nongkit Kam la menjur bat pediang da ka Federation baro ka wei hadin baladip menjur ya ki te ki Nongkit Kam la penskem da ubabu Elvis Marak ubadi president jong ka Fastcom Garo Hills region Nongkit Kam Naka Federation Naka Bynta ka Khasi Jaiñtia region ki balapan scam haganigasngi kilong President Mr. Denning Roy Marwin, Vice President Mr. Sanbon Jungay, but Mr. Kinstan Momin, General Secretary Mr. Signboard John Lengdo, Joint Secretary Mrs. Divianas Aim, Miss Evangeline Nyangti, but Mr. Senedro Marak, Finance Secretary Mr. R. Sparlan Khardew Sao, Organizing Secretary Mr. Rob Borun Kharsenteng, but Mr. Bierson Marang, Publicity Secretary Mr. E.G. War, Auditor Mr. Evangelist Marwin, but Mr. David Lenkoy, but Khadway Ngut Kiway Pat ki Executive Member.
By the authority of the Fastcom CEC level, on this 7th day of October 2023, I, Sri Elvis Arvara, do hereby confirm the President, Sri Dining Roy Murray, and the CEC office bearers, and also the Presidents and Secretaries of Khasi Jaiñtia region for the term of 2023 to 2026. May the Fastcom, under the leadership of Sri Dining Roy Murray, will be able to expedite and mobilize to meet our pending demands at the earliest, with full cooperation of the team. May God be with you all by providing good health and wisdom for success.